Hi guys, let's see how to enable quick share feature on Samsung Galaxy M35. First of all, swipe down the screen, expand it, and then here you will be able to see the quick share option. Simply tap on it. And now you will be able to see the three options here: no one, contact only, and everyone. If you want to keep it disabled, select the no one option. If you want to share it with your contact only, select this option. If you want to share it with anyone, you can select the everyone option, and you can enable the time limit as well. So let's say I want to share it with my contact only. So I will select this option and then tap on done. And this is how you can easily enable quick share on Samsung Galaxy M35. If you want to get into the quick share settings, again swipe down, expand, and then long press on this quick share option. Now you are into the quick share settings. From here, you can make all the changes you want. You can even set the expiry date or anything you want. So this is how you can easily enable the quick share feature on Samsung Galaxy M35. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.